my god.
Crunchy taco or 4-cheese lasagna? Hey, America.
Baby.
January is now January. That's all.
It's my favorite time of year.
Go that way.
Pick it up.
Go that way. Nope. You don't want to go in there, dumbass. There's 3 other dogs in there.
This is the magical new iPad Air with Retina display.
Instead of a cockfight, you got a puppy chasing a cock.
Display. It has nearly 1 million more pixels than the iPad Air. This new iPad Air is astonishingly light. The new Kindle Fire is actually 20% lighter. Yes, but the iPad is only $4.99. The Kindle is
That
only
bird's an
$3.79.
idiot for trying to climb up there.
I see. The new Kindle Fire HDX, sharper, lighter for less.
Hey, Mr. Rooster, you just woke up the brothers.
Hey, here's choo-choo. Check it. Yep.
No, look on the tail.
Like father, like son. 259 horsepower, available all-wheel drive. Introducing the new Regal from the
Baby, enough.
She wants the damn block.
Taste of cinnamon toast crunch and cold milk.
The Rooster's about to just
Cinnamon toast crunch.
cream
Use Grassy Squares.
bust her up.
Let go of the tail.
Alright, Ricky. You might want to come get your cock. Huh? No, baby girl, I have it recorded. Baby girl just had the rooster by the fucking tail. I recorded it. I'm recording it now.
What was the rooster doing?
Trying to spin around in circles to get her off.
Jump up and try to kick her.
Give her a minute. She might go back for more. I mean, he feathered up and everything at her.
It's eating dog food.
Watch.
Oh, but the boys want to get out and play.
The only girl wants to get out and play with a cock.
The boys want to play.
No, if they want to get, they can get out.
Yeah, they know how to get out.
Oh, but Chewbacca.
Chewbacca's the one who wants to play the most.
What's the matter, baby girl? Get him.
You're getting him earlier. Shy butt.
No, I think when the rooster came up and just feathered up.
Little girl.
Jake wants out. He'll protect her.
What you doing?
That's fine. I can make more.
What? We should probably move back a little bit. Come on.
You went around in circles, huh?
I'm waiting for her to jump on him again.
Hi, everybody.
Baby girl, get him out of your water.
Mama, can you go get me something for my allergies?
I'm out.
Baby.
I have to get some tomorrow because I got to get kitty food.
Where'd baby girl disappear to?
She's in the fire pit.
Hiding from the rooster?
No.
Playing Ring Around Roses with a rooster.
And she had the rooster by the tail earlier.
That's what she was screaming about.
No, I was laughing my ass off.
This is your fault. No, Dad, he's
Either
right.
Chewbacca or Fat Ass and Zach.
Okay, I gotta stop this and watch it.